Okay, so where are you right now? I mean, on in the for on
We
vacation.
are in Himachal Pradesh,
Oh
and
wow!
we are enjoying the weather. It's so beautiful. It's natural
Yeah.
beauty is there,
Hmm.
so we can't just explain it in words, but we are enjoying ourselves.
Okay, that's so nice.
Yes,
That's so nice.
yes. So, do you like to travel?
A lot, and I think Himachal Pradesh is my favorite place. And we
Okay.
have planned also. I think
Mm-hmm.
a month back, but
Mm-hmm.
due to those landslides and some
Yes,
changes
yes,
in,
yes. It's bad. It's
we have
bad. It
just
has been, yes, it has been raining heavily,
yes,
and we could see the landslides. We could see, and what happens is that we sitting in some city away from the hills, we can't imagine how it comes down. So
exactly,
when
yeah.
we came here and we saw that incident happening actually, and when we had gone for our walk, and next day when we went there, everything was down. So that was really scary. You feel that anything can come on you also when you are on there on that path. So it's yes, because
That is the main reason. Yeah, we dropped the idea and we dropped the plan, and we thought of planning this.
later later
Yeah, later. Yes.
Yes, you must. Because see, what happens is we haven't even realized how we have actually played with our environment. I really
Yes.
feel sad and bad about it, because we have been cutting trees, the soil erosion has been there, the rivers has been everything. We are just not thinking about anything, and we are just going ahead, deforestation, making buildings here and there, and doing all sorts of things which are not good for our environment, and that's what we are facing, all these problems.
Yeah, absolutely right. And the
Yes,
worst part is that we are still not realizing. I think we have faced a lot in these 2 years, and we are still
yes,
not realizing.
we have not yet
The
realized.
worst thing.
And whatever you see, the climate change, we are able to see the results now. We are able to see the after effects, I can say. The way the climate change, the temperature rising, somewhere it's raining, somewhere the flooding, everything is going haywire, and we are not able to control it.
Exactly, exactly. So how
Yes.
long have you been there? I mean, when
We have been here from last now 15 days.
okay, it's
Yes.
like a long
It's
vacation.
a yes, long vacation. Yes.
Wow, so nice.
Yes.
And I think weather
Mm.
is quite good
Weather is
now.
very pleasant. Weather is
Yes.
pleasant. It's raining almost every day. So we are enjoying.
Okay. So on
Yeah.
vacation also you are taking the sessions.
I have cut down. Otherwise, I used to take for a longer duration, but I just take. I'm taking for 2 to 3 hours, because I
For
have my regular learners also. So
okay.
when you have relationships, then you feel that you should at least give it back. So as such, I'm free. I'm enjoying myself. I go for my walk and do other things. So whatever time I have free, I can always take the classes.
Okay.
Yes.
Till now I was excited for talking to you, but now I think I inspired a lot. I mean, the kind of life you're living is really, I mean, wonderful. You are there,
Yes.
you are enjoying your vacation, then you are taking the sessions also. I mean, you have just balanced everything. That's so
Everything.
yes.
You need to balance. You need to live your life and live for now. Live for now.
Yeah, you're not supposed to think about the future because
Yes.
no one knows what will happen. So
No
just
one
live
knows
in the
what.
present.
Yeah, live for now. So, Arushi, if I have to ask you, uh,
Yes.
which word would that be, which will describe Arushi the best? And it should start with A.
Okay, so I think affable,
Okay. Anything
just
else?
ambitious.
Ambitious. Okay.
Yes.
Good.
And a
Amazing. Amazing, Arushi.
yeah, amazing,
Adorable. Adorable.
adorable. Yes, I think I can get a lot of adjectives for myself.
Yes, you can. And you
Yes,
must. All positive ones. Try
yes,
for the positive ones.
yes, yes. all are positive ones, like
Yes.
ambitious and adorable.
Yes, good, good. So it was nice talking to you, Arushi. If you have any specific questions, if you would like to ask something, you're most welcome to ask. Otherwise, we can keep on chatting.
Okay, as I mentioned and I said that you inspired me a lot. What if the same question I ask you, like a word for you?
I would say it is regular Radhika.
Okay, but I think
Yes.
you should have more interesting word. Regular is, yeah, fine, but again,
Okay. Then I would say I give that adjective to myself, but then my family restricts me in saying that word, so I'm not going to use it on this platform.
okay, okay, that's fine.
So yes, I'm keeping myself, restricted, I would say, not going to share on this.
Okay, yeah, obviously that's
Yes,
just fine. But again,
yes,
regular Radhika is also good, as
yes,
you're
yes.
you're just in the flow.
Yes, I'm in the flow, and I keep myself, regular in everything. Whatever I do, I feel that I should be regular. So that is why I've given a simple name to myself.
Regular, yeah. As I
Yes,
can see that you are on vacation, still taking sessions, and uh,
yes,
yeah, you're doing your regular activities, and yes,
yes.
that's
So
good.
Harushi, tell me that how did you think of joining Clapingo? You said that you've already taken 50 sessions. So was it? I mean, how did you think of joining this?
Okay, initially or just about this session?
Initially.
Initially. Okay, so I like English language a lot. I like to talk in English with people, and
Mm-hmm.
I want to become a fluent speaker. So,
Okay.
and the main thing is that I really want to teach people, give people a kind of education, because
Okay.
education is the only thing
Yes.
uh,
It's
that
very
you
important.
will
It's
use.
the base of any, if you want to go ahead, your education, literacy level, and your know-how. You should be aware of things. You should be
Yeah.
very much aware of things. You should be able to talk about any topic, whichever comes your way. You should be
Yes.
reading more about your environment, your
Yes.
surroundings, you should know your surrounding. I should say you should be knowledgeable whenever you talk to anyone. If you
Yes.
talk about fashion, if you talk about politics, if you talk about say movies, you should know everything, whatever you can talk about. Yes.
Exactly. So the best word like you have used is knowledge. To gain more knowledge about English, I thought of joining Clappingo.
Okay.
And I think if you're trying to help people, or like want to pass a knowledge, you should have more knowledge,
Yes.
and you should have clarity about the
Clarity. That
things.
is very
And
important. You should be very clear in your thoughts, whatever you speak, how you speak, and you should be convinced about whatever you are going to narrate.
yeah, exactly. And
Yes.
I still think, or I face or I have experienced a lot that people in India, especially, wants to learn English language, and they know that it's very important. It's a high time to learn the language, but again, they are scared, or they are like, we cannot do
Reluctant.
this.
Reluctant.
Reluctant. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So
See,
this
why
is
why why this happens is, Arushi. The main reason is that they feel shy. Somewhere they feel shy that if they start talking in English, what will people think about it? If I don't speak correctly, what will people think about me? And that question marks in their mind really doesn't
exactly.
allow them to learn the language or anything in their life.